Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. The html5 geolocation API allows web applications to access a user's geographic location. This functionality enhances user experience by providing location-based services such as mapping, local content delivery, and personalized recommendations. To utilize geolocation, developers must first obtain the user's permission to access their location data, ensuring privacy and compliance with regulations. The API provides methods to retrieve the current position, watch for location changes, and handle errors if location data is unavailable. The retrieved location is typically given in latitude and longitude coordinates, which can then be used in conjunction with mapping services or for displaying relevant information. It's important to note that the accuracy of the location can vary based on the device and the method of location determination, such as geolocation or Wi-Fi. Overall, the html5 geolocation API is a powerful tool for creating interactive and context-aware web applications.